Lucrative. Meaning. Producing a great deal of profit. Synonyms. Remunerative, gainful, worthwhile. Sentence. He gave up a lucrative career as a lawyer to look after his kids. Contrivance. Meaning. An unfair or dishonest scheme or trick to gain an advantage for yourself. Synonyms. Artifice, gimmick, ruse. Sentence. I think the meeting happened more by contrivance than chance. Engross. Meaning. Absorb all the attention or interest of. Synonyms. Bewitch, enthrall, preoccupy. Sentence. She gets completely engrossed in her work. Fungible. Meaning. Replaceable by another identical item, mutually interchangeable. Synonyms. Compatible, convertible, synonymous. Sentence. The two automobiles are not fungible because one vehicle is worth more than the other vehicle. Perishable. Meaning. Especially of food, likely to decay or go bad quickly. Synonyms. Putrescible, biodegradable. Sentence. It's important to store perishable food in a cool place. Provisional. Meaning. Arranged or existing for the present, possibly to be changed later. Synonyms. Interim, temporary, transitional. Sentence. It was announced that the times were provisional and subject to confirmation. Deleterious. Meaning. Causing harm or damage. Synonyms. Detrimental, inimical, injurious. Sentence. The chemical is deleterious to the environment. Consequential. Meaning. Following as a result or effect. Synonyms. Ensuing, successive, concomitant. Sentence. There have been several consequential innovations in their computer software. Arcane. Meaning. Understood by few, mysterious or secret. Synonyms. Concealed, covert, enigmatic. Sentence. He was the only person who understood all the arcane details of the agreement. Subjective. Meaning. Based on or influenced by personal feelings, tastes, or opinions. Synonyms. Personalized, prejudiced, biased. Sentence. We know that taste in art is a subjective matter. Pragmatic. Meaning. Practical, especially when making decisions. Synonyms. Realistic, rational, hardheaded. Sentence. Buyers will do well to take pragmatic view. Disdain. Meaning. Consider to be unworthy of one's consideration. Synonyms. Contempt, scorn, derision. Sentence. Janet looked at him with disdain. Verisimilitude. Meaning. The appearance of being true or real. Synonyms. Plausibility, realism, truthlikeness. Sentence. She has included photographs in the book to lend verisimilitude to the story. Mundane. Meaning. Lacking interest or excitement, dull. Synonyms. Humdrum, monotonous, prosaic. Sentence. Though dishwashing is often seen as a mundane chore, listening to music makes it much more bearable. Trivial. Meaning. Of little value or importance. Synonyms. Insignificant, unimportant, minor. Sentence. Getting computers to understand human language is not a trivial problem. Complacent. Meaning. Showing smug or uncritical satisfaction with oneself. Synonyms. Gloating, triumphant, conceited. Sentence. With his complacent attitude, he was no fun to work with. Variegated. Meaning. Exhibiting different colors, especially as irregular patches or streaks. Synonyms. Assorted, checkered, patched. Sentence. One variety of the horse chestnut has variegated leaves, and another double flowers.
Robust. Meaning. Strong and healthy, vigorous. Synonyms. Vigorous, sturdy, powerful. Sentence. His robust strength made him survive the disaster. Acumen. Meaning. The ability to make good judgments and take quick decisions. Synonyms: shrewdness, acuity, sagacity. Sentence: she possessed a sharp business acumen and an ability to crunch numbers. Naivety. Meaning: lack of experience, wisdom, or judgment. Synonyms: innocence, artlessness, candor. Sentence: Danielle's naivete allowed her to foolishly believe the stranger would repay the money she loaned him. Fortuitous. Meaning: happening by a lucky chance, fortunate. Synonyms: serendipitous, incidental, unforeseen. Sentence: the collapse of its rivals was a fortuitous opportunity for the company. Indifferent. Meaning: having no particular interest or sympathy, unconcerned. Synonyms: mediocre, middling, passable. Sentence: people have become indifferent to the suffering of others. Abysmal. Meaning: extremely bad, appalling. Synonyms: dreadful, atrocious, passable. Sentence: she talked about the record of the yard being abysmal. Beguile. Meaning: charm or enchant someone, often in a deceptive way. Synonyms: entrance, spellbind, mesmerize. Sentence: she was cunning enough to beguile her classmates into doing the work for her. Seclude. Meaning: keep someone away from other people. Synonyms: cloister, ostracize, sequester. Sentence: I secluded myself up here for a life of study and meditation. Ubiquitous. Meaning: present, appearing, or found everywhere. Synonyms: omnipresent, pervasive, prevalent. Sentence: she is one of the wealthiest, most ubiquitous media personalities around. Overstate. Meaning: state too strongly, exaggerate. Synonyms: dramatize, overplay, catastrophize. Sentence: it would be overstating the case to say that it was a matter of life or death. Replete. Meaning: filled, or well supplied with something. Synonyms: teeming, jammed, brimful. Sentence: the country's history is replete with stories of people who became successful by working hard. Incisive. Meaning: expressing an idea or opinion clearly and in a persuasive manner. Synonyms: acute, trenchant, astute. Sentence: she's known for her incisive mind and quick wit. Pretentious. Meaning: trying to appear or sound more important or clever than you are. Synonyms: ostentatious, affected, flatulent. Sentence: the houses in the neighborhood are large and pretentious. Multifaceted. Meaning: having many different aspects or features. Synonyms: varied, adaptable, protean. Sentence: this issue is much more multifaceted than we think. Enormity. Meaning: outrageous, improper, vicious, or immoral act. Synonyms: wickedness, baseness, depravity. Sentence: I never dreamed of any enormity greater than I have committed. Pugnacious. Meaning: eager, or quick to argue, quarrel, or fight. Synonyms: antagonistic, belligerent, bellicose. Sentence: squirrels are restless, courageous, and pugnacious little animals. Circumspect. Meaning: wary, and unwilling to take risks. Synonyms: watchful, discreet, heedful. Sentence: officials were circumspect about saying what the talks had achieved. Intrepid. Meaning: fearless, adventurous, often used for rhetorical or humorous effect. Synonyms: dauntless, valiant, spunky. Sentence: he was a skilled knight and a daring huntsman, and although not a great general, was intrepid on the field of battle.